Let's go ahead and look at some questions that I have for you this morning about finding the area of a shape. And I would like to encourage you to use our formula, area equals base times height, to find out the answer. Make sure that you are also writing the correct units for the area. Okay, on the test you will probably get questions like this. Well, just try the first two questions today, okay? Just try the first two questions today. So you have a rectangle ABCD. And who can tell me what is the base? What is the measurement of the base for the triangle, for the rectangle ABCD? What is the measurement of the base? Emmanuel? So base is 7 centimeters, okay? How much is the height of this rectangle? How much is the height? Clarissa?
4 centimeters.
4 centimeters. Thank you for using the right units. And what is the formula for finding the area of this shape or area of a rectangle? What formula can I use? Okay, what formula should I use to find the area of a rectangle? Raimundo?
You could put 4 centimeters on the other side and 7 centimeters on top and add all of them.
So I should add all of them. Okay, so you're telling me this is a rectangle. I should write 4 centimeters here, and I should put 7 centimeters here. And why am I doing this? How do I know this side is 4 centimeters?
Because on the other side I added 2 and everything.
So because it's a rectangle and opposite sides are equal in a rectangle, correct? And why am I adding all the sides? What is my question? Let's go back and underline the question I have. Find the area of the following shape. Okay? If I add all of the sides, what is Raimundo helping me find? Does anyone remember? If I'm adding up all the sides, what am I really trying to find here? If I do that, what will I get? Maritza?
The perimeter.
I'll get the perimeter. It's like going on the outside and going all around the shape and finding the perimeter. What I am trying to find out for this question is the area. So Maritza, what formula can I use here to find the area of this rectangle?
7 times 4.
Okay, so what would be the formula? Those are the numbers.
7 centimeters times 4 centimeters.
Thank you for using the units, but what would be the formula for using area? Okay, let's go ahead and let's write the word formula here so that we don't forget. Okay, it's like a short way to find out the area. Area A equals base times height, or B times H. Okay, this is your formula for finding out the area of a rectangle. And now help me, Maritza. What's the base here?
The base is 7 centimeters.
Base is 7 centimeters times, how much is H? Height?
4 centimeters.
4 centimeters. So what would be my answer for the area of rectangle ABCD?
28 square centimeters.
28 square centimeters. And remember, it can be on your test, this can appear in different forms. They can write it like this. You might see it written like SQ for square centimeters, or they might write it in this way. All of these mean the same. It's just the same answer written different ways. So the answer for area of rectangle ABCD would be 28 square centimeters. Go ahead and try to find the area of rectangle PQRS using our formula that we have. Try to find out the area of rectangle PQRS on your own. Who would like to help me do this question together? Okay, who would like to help me? Lysander. Okay, what did you do first?
I times 3 and 6.
So what formula are we using to find the area of this rectangle?
The area?
Mm-hmm. What is the formula we're trying to use? BXH. What does this X stand for? What does the X times? Okay, so let's not say X. B times H, correct? Okay. Now, what is B, base? How much is my base equal to?
3.
3? What is the unit I need? Is there a unit mentioned next to the 3? There is. The M stands for meters. Okay? So we'll write 3 meters times, what is my H? How much is the height of this rectangle? 6 meters. Good. And when I multiply these together, what do I get as my area?
18.
18 meters. What is the unit for area? How do we write the unit for area? When we're multiplying the meters with meters, what will we get? Okay, let's try and see if someone can help me. Who can help me figure out the unit for area here? So I have the number here. I don't have the right units. Mariah, what should be the right unit for area for this question? What is the unit for area? Would that be the right answer? That is 18 meters. What should I do? Does everyone agree that is the correct answer? Did I hear you add something, Mariah? What did you say?
It's supposed to be 18 squared.
18 square meters. So I should write area equals 18 square meters. Remember, the area of a shape is always squared units, okay? All right, we'll stop our lesson here, but a quick review. Let's go ahead and everyone say together what the formula for the area of a rectangle is, because we'll be needing to use that for tomorrow's lesson, okay? So let's say it together as a class. Area equals base times height. One more time. Area equals base times height. Thank you. You can put your notebook away.